we are going to jump right into the video. I will be using my Ninja Cold Press Juicer Pro, and it has 150 watts, easy one-touch controls, and I find that it is ideal to make all kinds of juices. I am going to be using the veggie wash that I purchased from Publix, but first I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. Now you can see that I am spraying the celery sticks with a generous amount of the veggie wash, and I want to make sure that it is very clean. Celery can be quite dirty. Alright, here is my setup. I also have an extra bowl for the overflow of the juice, as well as a strainer to remove the extra pulp. I'm turning on my Ninja Juicer, and I'm going to go ahead and start inserting the celery sticks into the feeder. And using this particular juicer, I find that it's very easy. You can make multiple types of juice, and the cleaning process is super easy as well. As you can see, my juice jug is starting to fill to the top, and I need to empty it out to continue the juicing process. Now you see the leftover pulp from juicing. You can actually freeze the pulp in a Ziploc bag and save it for later to add to your veggie burgers, or you can even use it to make a savory vegetable broth. Now, I did actually use my pulp control filter, but I find that at times some of the pulp still actually seeps through. So this is why I am utilizing my strainer to remove that extra pulp. Looks great, right? Now, some of the health benefits for celery juicing: it's rich in antioxidants, it helps flush out toxins from the body, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. It supports your hydration and can help you reach your vitamin and mineral goals. And might I say, this juice was amazing.